Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Nandito na naman po tayo sa bagong kwentuhan, bagong topic para po sa ating mga manonood ng mga nurses ngayon all over the world, no? Filipino nurses all over the world. And bago ko pakilala ang ating magandang guest, no? Papakilala ko po muna yung sarili ko. So my name is Janica Valdez. I'm the recruitment supervisor of Town Kids. And I'm sure, I'm 100% sure they're excited. Sino nga po ba ang kasama natin ngayon? So, Miss Trish, pwede niyo po bang ipakilala kung sino kayo and how was your work with Town Kids?
Hi, Miss Janica. Good morning here from New Jersey. Now, we're equally beautiful. My goodness. And of course, basta taga-town kids maganda. Both in the admin at saka sa mga nurses. Anyways, I am Trisha Lebon Facil. I was deployed last August here. I was very happy by that time because I went through a retrogression din. Now, I experienced it for a year. And then what I did was I did not lose hope and I continuously engaging with the activities with town kids. Kasi we all know in social media there are many negativities and I cannot afford to lose focus on that. So when the time that I was deployed, in a way I could say I was already ready 80 to 90%. It's already in my mind that this is it. This is my American dream and I won't let anybody destroy it except me, but I won't destroy my American dream. Yun.
Ayan. Actually, ma'am, intro pa lang parang, wow, nakaka-excite naman panoorin itong interview na to. Ayan. Okay, so this interview is about Town Kids Inside Story, 1 year, one mission, a story of journey, growth, and gratitude, no? So first, I would like to start congratulations, Miss Trish, on your first year, no? And time may seem to fly very fast kasi I remember nandito ka pa sa office, we're joking
True.
around, no? Joking around, having fun. And now it's 1 year already, ma'am, no? But
True.
as easy as it sounds, we know na it wasn't easy.
Mm-hmm.
And may mga challenges, mayroong mga struggles, of course, homesickness, ma'am, no? And can you tell us your story, ma'am, no? May we know what were your initial challenges, of course, and ano yung adjustments po ninyo for you to overcome this?
Honestly, Miss Janica, when I came here, I had already a prior, what you call this one, mindsetting, prepping, and then I had already had a good hindsight of what to expect here. Kasi prior I went here, no, a shout out to my friends who were deployed prior me, silang Ash, silang Jong, who is my referrer. When I was asking them what to expect here, they were not sugarcoating. They were telling me the real bits and pieces of what is expected here in New Jersey. Number one is homesickness. Number one yun. Kahit sa PIDOS na seminar, yun yung number one na medyo we were trying to fight it off. Especially for me, I went here alone. But not lonely. Alone but not lonely. I had good friends. God, really blessed me with good friends here. Ang nakaka-wonder dito sa Town Kids because when I arrived here, this is my personal lived experience ha, may local active community na tayo among nurses. So if I got to ask technical things like for example driver's license, like for example where to get this stuff, these documents, you can always ask them. And I was so happy kasi mababait yung mga taga-town kids. So, yun, hindi ako na homesick totally because there's a local community here. Number two is driving. Miss Jan, hindi ako nagda-drive sa Pinas. Passenger princess ako ng dad ko, ng boyfriend ko, whoever is like, may jeep dyan. May taxi dito, no. Mahal ng Uber, mahal ng Lyft. So, I was really aggressive in driving. Even on my first week na I had my car, I really drove in the parkway. Parang S-Lex dyan, NLEX. So, for me it was a new skill that I have to hone, but I was really happy nga I overcome my fear of driving. Next is cultural adjustment. Ito ha, hindi to sugarcoating. I'm not being poignant, but cultural adjustment dito is totally ano ba? Uh relative siya, different by nurse to nurse, by a Filipino to a Filipino. Ako kasi, I am very proactive in communicating. Hindi ako natatakot to communicate in English, even though I know there are grammatical errors and all. Kasi dito, yung best friend ko na former Navy, he told me na, don't worry, Trish, even though that your grammar is not totally 100% correct, they won't mind it. As long as you can relay the message, and then yung mga pronunciation nila dito, it's a bit different from there, what we have learned in our IELTS and PTE, different. And dito then is don't be so sensitive. They are very direct. Sometimes you can sense na parang nagagalit sila but that's their normal way of talking. So, and of course, you have to be direct to the point as well. Hindi ka pwede pa cute-cute dito. You have really to articulate what you feel. 'Di ba? So, yun din. And I was so happy then with the management with Town. I had hindi naman siya perfect yung working environment ko. There were instances that I have also my not complaints but concerns. But what I was happy with the management, if I email them, even the operations manager, si Miss Bella, no, she would really call me up, Trish, ano yung nangyayari in English ha? What's happening? And then she would really find a solution to your concerns. Yun yung personal ko na experience when I was starting around my first 3 months with my patient assignment. So yun, parang hindi ako totally, sabi nga ng iba, nabu-blooming ka dyan, Trish, parang okay daw ako sa US. Sabi ko, it's how you adapt with the changes, with the adjustment phase. It's not a perfect journey, Miss Janica. American dream always equates with American reality. So, wag pataasan yung expectation na pagdating dito, okay na lahat, no. I I viewed my housemate, si Jomar na interview last time. I was really struck when he said, dito sa Amerika, hindi pwede i-baby kami. We have to work our our dream to become a reality. So, yun. Okay naman in
Mhm.
general. So, okay yung adjustment ko with Town Kids so far.
Ayan. So, thank you with that, Miss Trish, no? Alam mo, Miss Trish, one thing I really can't forget, no, having conversation with you back here in the Philippines, na talagang nagagamit rin namin in terms of talking to our nurses and also to our future nurses is yung proper set of expectations, proper setting of expectations. Kasi
True.
um, kapag hindi tayo knowledgeable, Miss Trish, no, and hindi tayo masyadong informed sa mga totoong nangyayari talaga sa US, we would be
Mhm.
very disappointed once we landed there, no? Kasi
True.
we thought na US, it's like greener pasture right away. It's not it, di ba, ma'am?
No.
Ayun.
No, no, no. And
And,
ito Miss Jan ha, to the future nurses na will be coming here under Town Kids, don't get hype with the pictures
mhm,
alone. You get to ask us, mga nandito na. And then, yung mga maririnig sa social media, you can always ask us. No, in directly so that we can give you the most practical and pragmatic answers. Yun.
yan. Ang deep naman nun, Miss Trish, no? Ayan. Pero actually, it makes sense, Miss Trish, no? Sabi ko nga, since it's a home care setting,
Mhm.
different nurses, different experiences, and you can never
True.
generalize a one
True.
experience that it applies to all. Kaya
Mhm.
nga, it's very important na hindi ganun yung maging basis mo, whether for you
True.
to push through your American dream
True.
or not.
True.
So, it's better that you experience it yourself.
On your
Yeah.
own, yeah.
Yes. And then you'll tell. Kasi marami namang success story. There are stories
Mhm.
din na somehow hindi masyado. Pero again, it doesn't speak for everybody. So, you
True.
have to explore it on your own.
Mhm.
Ayan. So, thank you for that, Miss Trish, no? Since nabanggit niyo, Miss Trish, yung Filipino community, ano,
Mhm.
are there people, ma'am, or colleagues, mentor, or patients, since it's a year already, who have
Yeah.
made a significant effect on your work experience with Town?
First and foremost, I would like to thank the recruitment, the marketing team, the deployment team. If without you guys, wala ako dito. So you are very instrumental of my American dream. pagdating ko dito, the management office, I have my mentor, sila Miss Jen. Even nandyan pa ako sa Pinas, nagbe-message ako kay Miss Jen. And during the interview prior my flight and embassy interview, we had a heart-to-heart talk about what are my expectations. And I already have the impression on her that she can be a good mentor. And she did, and she is now to me. And then yung former case manager ko sa patient ko, which is also a Cebuano, si Miss Say, I was really happy with her. She's also a very good friend of mine here. Grabe siya if may mga questions ako because I'm on knock shift. Even though it's very late in the evening, she would really find time to answer me regarding my clinical routine sa patient ko. And right now, she was replaced by Miss Jazz. Miss Jazz also is very, very remarkable in, trying to mentor us or me personally sa patient ko. And if I have concerns then I have questions, even magpaset ako ng appointment with her in the office, she's very, very welcoming. Which is, I think, parang upper hand siya ng Town Kids na management. And of course, to my friends na out of the professional work, my social circle, they gave me that kind of backbone na I can do this even though I'm alone here in the US. And lucky ako na binigyan ako ng patient ni Tao na hindi lang patient, but a family. There was a time, eto, this was given by the bigger sister of my patient because she knows na I'm a Hello Kitty Sanrio fan. So, yun nga, ito yung maganda sa home health eh. Kasi you are focused in a family. When you get to have the trust sa kanila, more than a work, you get to have a family din.
Mhm.
But of course, you have to get that professionalism all the time. Kasi yun nga, if you get too much comfortable, baka you go beyond what is
Mhm.
expected of you. So, dapat professional still, you have to be professional. And ito din, lastly, Miss Jan, during winter, I had a problem with my car tires. I was really shocked that the parents offered to help.
Mhm.
Nung nasa shift ako. So, sabi ko, oh my God, I'm really safe with my family. To negate yung mga other hearsays na if home health it's dangerous and
Mhm.
all, I don't see it. Per my experience now, I was so happy I was matched with a family who is very trusting on me. And every punta ko sa shift ko kahit pagod ako kasi straight knocks ako, I feel very happy with them. This is not sugarcoating ha. Hindi mo makikita 'di ba sabi mo kanina, parang hindi ako galing sa shift, 12 hours 'yun. Pero hindi lang sa makeup 'yun, it's the glow of work satisfaction makes it a best. 'Yun. Thank you,
Ayan.
Town.
Alam mo, Miss Trish, no, as I was hearing with your story right now, I remember we're just imagining this na sabi mo sa akin before na sana, kasi you were watching, di ba pinapanood natin yung interview na with Sir Jomar before na
Mhm.
sabi mo na sana magkaroon ka rin ng family na
True.
same with Sir Jomar na talagang sobrang goods din or talagang nag-match.
Oo.
And I think pa I wasn't shocked honestly because we know naman that you'll be a very good nurse in town, no?
Yeah, I remembered kayo diyan sa office sabi na, "Miss Trish, okay ka. You know what? You could really find some, like, family there for your patient." It struck when I was really matched. Nung tumawag yung office, sabi niya, Trish, the parents really liked you. They want you to be in their knock shift in a regular schedule already. It's like, oh my God, yung mga sinasabi niyo sa office really resonated back in my mind. So thank you for the well-wishing before.
Ayan, ma'am, no. Kasi ano, ma'am, parang talagang it takes two to tango.
True.
And if the patient's family likes you, it's because you're a good nurse.
Yeah,
And because you're a good nurse, the patient's family like you. Parang talagang hindi pwedeng isa lang.
true. At
So,
nafi-feel nila yan na you are sincere. Even 2 nights ago, kasi 2 straight nights ako na I was happy kasi during my changes sa feeding ng patient ko and I was so appreciative enough kasi they let me join in their discussion. What could be a better option for the patient? So, hindi ako external or outsider sa kanila. They treat me as both as a friend, as a professional nurse, as someone they can trust. And that's something na very rewarding when you go home health here in the US.
Ayan. And these are the things you want to experience in other setting, Miss
True.
Trish. Kasi
Yeah.
since you'll go to a patient every day, same patient every day,
Mm-mm.
tapos nakita mo somehow you're the extension of hope talaga.
True.
Alam mo,
And then
sige,
ano?
sige, Miss Trish.
And hindi makikita mo yung milestone ng patient mo. Hindi mababayaran ng anumang monetary rewards. Na, ewan ko parang for me kasi nursing is a calling and a vocation eh. Yeah, true.
And nursing is for you talaga, Miss Trish.
Thank you.
Ayan. So actually, ma'am, ako nga, we're really looking forward for your experience talaga. Sabi namin, nag-usap-usap rin kami here, ma'am, na we really believe that you'll be one of the best pediatric nurse, no? And it's been a year. Time flies, Miss Trish, and it
True.
seems like parang di rin natin napansin. Parang
Yung
before
time.
you're joining us with our events here in Cebu, sa Cebu,
Mm.
ayan, and right now may office na kami, ma'am, in Cebu ulit.
Congrats!
And so we can accommodate more nurses
Yeah,
from Visayas and Mindanao.
Mindanao.
Ayan. And for my next question, Miss Trish, no?
Go.
Um, what message of encouragement? Kasi in terms of encouragement and proper mindset, talagang we really trust your train of thoughts in
Thank
this
you.
kind of thing, ma'am, no? What message of encouragement or gratitude would like to share sa mga nurses po natin out there? Of course, planning to take the
Mhm.
same path, sign with town, and home care.
Yeah. Actually, Miss Janica, pediatric nursing, ever since when I was a nursing student, was my Waterloo.
Mm.
Parang weakness ko talaga yung pedia. Kaya nga, when I decided really to sign up with Town, I know there will be many challenges for me to transition here. Pero I trusted my instinct that this company, actually 3 months akong nag-think about signing up with Town. Sila Miss Jessa at that time was really calling me up, ano na nangyari and all. I wanted to have a good guidance and good parang processing of thought ako before I would sign up Town. And ito ha, no sugarcoating. When you sign up for Town or any other agency, be accountable of your decision. Whatever happens, you own your journey. Hindi ka na nagsasign ka ng contract, then later on something bad happens or something may
Mhm.
challenges ka, you blurt out, you regret, or somehow parang pinoproject mo yung frustration mo sa iba. Especially for a company. There's no perfect company. There's no perfect job offer. There would always be loopholes. But
Mhm.
the most important thing is you own your journey, and American journey is an American reality. You have to work for it. So don't expect other people to make your life easy. It's your job and it's your decision to make. So, yun nga, home health here, walang home health masyado dyan sa Pinas. I was so amazed that home health here is very embracing to nurses. And for me, I haven't experienced home health setup. Academe ako dyan sa
Mhm.
Pinas and hospital din. Hindi ko na-experience ito, but mind you ha, 50 by percentage, I am more into inclining to home health kasi nakikita ko yung priceless na milestone I have and also to my patient and the family. And I'm not invalidating other experiences ng
Mhm.
ibang nurses because we're different. But for me, when I say something, when I share a wisdom to my co-nurses who are planning to go here, American dream is an American reality. You have to work hard for it and you have to own your journey and you have to be accountable of your decision of doing it. Yun.
And amen to that, Miss Trish.
Grabe.
Pero ma'am, totoo yun. Kasi, again, doesn't mean we go to the United States, we would have a better life. Agad-agad.
True.
Kasi
Agad-agad.
there are actually nurses, ma'am, na maganda naman yung life sa Philippines. Tapos,
Mm-hmm.
syempre, once
True.
they step their foot in the United States, no, minsan magkakaroon ng comparison.
True.
And I think importante talaga na alam mo na America is not a heaven na parang pagdating mo dyan,
Automatic siya.
yeah,
Oo.
maayos lahat, okay lahat, no? So that's the reality na at the end of the day, it's like the feeling of stepping out of your comfort zone. Syempre, pagdating mo
True.
dyan, hindi naman sobrang diverse, Miss Trish, 'di ba?
True.
Mhm. How was it, ma'am, dealing with people in New Jersey? Can you share us at least a story? Outside work naman, paano naman yung
Oo.
naging journey mo dyan, Miss Trish? Adjustments and all.
Dito sa New Jersey, kasi pumupunta kami ng New York with my friends. New Jersey is very different, very friendly. When you go to a store, they would say, "Hi, how are you?" Just sa Pinas, sasabihin mo, "Good morning." Dito, "Hi, how are you?" with a smile. And then, hindi sila rude dito ha, in New Jersey in general, hindi sila rude. People here are very welcoming. It's just that you have to articulate, you have to relay your message talaga sa kanila na parang confident ka, fake it until you make it. Parang ganun. And then here in New Jersey, naku, ang ganda ng mga parks nila dito. It's for free. Yun nga, nakikita niyo sa pictures ko, I just drive around just to unwind, galing ng shift. Ang ganda, free dito. Aside from the educational system, free yung parks, free din yung, what do you call this one? You go around here as long as you don't commit a crime. Oo, you can go around here na parang hindi mo mafe-feel na you are endangered. Hindi, kasi low yung crime rate dito sa New Jersey ha. And here in Lakewood, kasi Jewish, most likely Jewish yung population dito. So they are very religious. Of course, we have always to respect each other's cultural, religious, or whatever affiliations we have. But here in New Jersey talaga, it's very nice. So far. So far. Yeah.
In 1 year, Miss Trish.
1 year. My goodness. Time flies.
Kaya nga, Miss Trish, no, I just remember na hinatid ka pa lang namin sa sasakyan para bumalik sa
Oo. Sa airport. Kasi I have to catch a flight. Yeah, true.
And it's 1 year already, Miss Trish, no, and we're grateful. And actually, Miss Trish, no, for everyone's knowledge, Miss Trish is really helping out, not just nurses in the United States. Still, she's helping out our nurses here in the Philippines,
True.
specifically our Visayas and Mindanao nurses, no. Kaya,
Oo.
para po sa mga nurses natin in Visayas and Mindanao, you have Miss Trish. She's very helpful. She'll guide you
Yeah,
while you're
true.
here in the Philippines, and most certainly, ma'am, no, pag nakasunod na sila dyan sa ano,
Mm-mm.
sa US. Kasi maraming looking forward talaga, ma'am, and most importantly, nagkaroon ng movement.
Uy, true.
Madadagdagan.
Congrats. Uy, may referral ako is, he will be deployed this July.
Anong name
So
niyo,
I'm
ma'am?
very happy. Ha?
Anong name niyo, ma'am?
Si Sir Ralph Rivetta.
Ah,
Nagme-message na kami ni Miss Annalyn. No, kasi ako, ito ha, side story, Miss Janica. Yung mga referrals ko, nag-create ako ng GC sa kanila. If they have any questions, even the most technical part, or even para lang random questions, I'm already mind prepping them what to expect really here in New Jersey. Na parang hindi ko sila sinusugarcoat whatever
mhm,
yung mga finances nila, how taxation works here, yung budgeting, driving, yun talaga.
mhm,
So, yun, kasi yun yung ginawa sa akin nilang Ash, nilang Jong. So I am paying it forward to those nurses who will be coming here. Just be open-minded, guys. Dito sa Amerika, you will be successful if you'll just be open-minded.
mhm.
Whatever opportunities that will come your way.
All right. Actually, Miss Trish, no, I know everyone is curious. Since you've mentioned hindi po kayo nagda-drive dito sa Philippines, can you rate us your driving skills out of 10, Miss Trish?
Ewan kay mga friends ko, sabi nila, Trish, grabe ka. Kasi ako aggressive ako mag-drive. Even like, 6 months pa lang ako dito, nag-drive na ako ng New York. New York driving is crazy. Pero ako, sabi ko, no, I have to experience it. Then ako, nagda-drive ako sa parkway na yung miles is like 90 to 100 miles per hour. Sabi ko, if pupunta yung parents ko dito, I want them to experience New Jersey as well. So I cannot do that for them if I don't
Mhm.
drive. So as long as nandito pa ako and preparing for them to come here, yun, napapractice ako nag-drive. Bahala sila. May insurance naman. Joke lang.
Pero so far, at least safe pa rin, Miss Trish.
Oo, yes. Of
Ayan.
course, kasi dito maganda yung traffic signs sila dito, and ito ha sa New Jersey, maganda yung police visibility nila. So you are safe in every road that you are taking. Mm-mm.
Ayan. And it's important that for them to know, Miss Trish, no, yung state na pupuntahan nila. Kasi iba-iba ang situations ng iba't ibang state.
Ay, true. True.
So, may advantage din, of course, with New Jersey.
New Jersey. Police visibility here is very, very, anong tawag dun? High class sila dito. And then when you try to ask for assistance, you can always ping them, or, you could just always approach them. And hindi sila rude dito. As I have said, hindi rude ang mga tao sa New Jersey.
Ayan. And of course, ayan. And as much as I'd love to talk to you, Miss Trish, alam niyo po si Miss Trish, all the way from her shift, she accommodated us, no?
Okay lang
And
yun.
Miss Trish, no, for my sadly last question.
Sure,
Ayan.
sure.
Um, 1 year, hindi naman na biro yun, ma'am, no? It's already,
Yeah.
you experience a lot already, and of course, more to come. And how do you plan, ma'am, on continue growing on this field?
Actually, Miss Janica, yung first year ko lang, yung mga goals ko dito is, aside from, finances, no, I would save up money. Every time may mga new, yung patient ko ngayon, he has multiple disorders, metabolic and all. While I am taking care of my patient, I would really study.
Mm,
I'm really continually growing and studying my patient's case. Kasi every day, even though one patient lang yan, it can happen, anything can happen naman eh. So, yung mga medications niya, yung routines niya, my
mhm,
patient has stranger anxiety, so I need to read about how to intervene with patients with stranger anxiety. And then, ang Town Kids ha, basically, they offer yung mga continuing education classes as long as you stay engaged with them. May BLS sila, may mga lifting techniques sila, mga seminars that is really very much helpful for us. As I have said, just be open-minded. Ako, I would really, really try to engage myself with the different activities sa town. And, I'm very happy yung mga sa first Nurses Week na natanan ko. I was really happy nga nakikita ko yung ibang nurses kasi hindi kami nakikita
mhm,
kita most of the time. But yun nga, sabi ko, if may mga activities sa town, Christmas party, engagements, or whatever, I would really try to find time to attend. And that's one of the advantages ng Town Kids. Not in comparison sa ibang agencies with my friends. Sinasabi talaga nila, Trish, parang okay daw ako with Town. Kasi
Yes
yun
nga.
nga, nakikita lang sa pictures na parang wala akong homesickness. Meron naman, but yun nga, I have a good backbone of community here, which really helped a lot.
Ayan.
Mm-mm.
And it's an advantage, Miss Trish, no? Hindi lahat may madadatnan na maraming Pilipino.
Uy, true, true, true.
And lalo na kapag single ka or mag-isa ka, ma'am, no? Wala kang uuwian.
Ay, wala nga. Sad life.
Kaya magtamay ka na lang sa mga parks, di ba, Miss Trish?
Oo, coffee shop. Or later on, magpipiknik kami, barbecue picnic ng
Mm,
mga co-nurses here, di ba? So, yun.
ayan.
Masaya.
Paano yun, ma'am? Wala ka pang sleep.
Oo, matutulog ako 2 hours, then picnic, then I can sleep the entire night kasi off naman ako tonight.
Mhm. Ayan. So, Miss Trish, may naalala lang ako. Singit ko lang tong tanong na to. No? Nabanggit nyo kasi most of trainers and mentors na meron kayo ay Filipino.
Mm-hmm.
And ano kaya advantage nun, Miss Trish, no? Na co-Filipino din yung talagang mostly nag-handle ng mga concerns and of course ng training in general.
Advantage for me ha, I'm not speaking for everybody naman. For me, it's an advantage because you can be free enough to yun nga, relay your message, your concerns kasi nandun na yung familiarity grounds ninyo eh. As Filipinos, you had same educational background way back in the Philippines. So somehow parang calibrated na kayo when we came here. And then sila din yung wala ng language barrier, sometimes it's mahirap yung mag-English ka all straight. And you're trying to articulate technical things regarding your patient. Iba, if especially si Miss Say, Bisaya before, so at times magbibisaya lang kami when I'm trying to air out my concern. But of course, okay yun sa Tagalog or whatever, basta Pinoy. And hindi lang Pinoy, actually, any person sa office na even hindi Pinoy, they are very friendly. Like tumatawag sila about shift changes or hindi sila nagpo-push ha ng mga hindi nila pinu-push na you take this shift, blah, blah, hindi. They are very friendly staff sa Town Kids. And they would understand na Miss, ito I cannot be there in the shift because I lack sleep and all. They would respect it. As long as you are parang dapat ka din courtesy sa kanila, of course, professional. Yun.
Mhm. Okay, thank you so much, Miss Trish, no? And to those that are curious, no, you can watch Miss Trish first interview
Yeah.
dito rin sa Facebook page namin. And I remember, nasa dorm ka ata noon, Miss Trish. And how,
Hindi pa maganda yung background joke.
and how nasa US na si Miss Trish ngayon. And
Yeah.
Miss Trish, in return for giving us this opportunity, I'll giving you also the chance, no? Um, May gusto ka bang batiin or i-shout out sa Philippines? Or I think you have your list.
I have my list.
Okay.
The
Ayan.
joke. Eto, yung mga friends ko nandito sa US muna. Yung close ko talaga dito, sila Ling Ling tsaka si Anna. Hello. I know you are having your shift ata. They are having their shift. Yung mga CCs ko, yung mga magaganda sa town, you would always endorse them sa mga sa
Mhm.
page. Si Cheryl tsaka si Mina. Hello. They are my also sisters by heart here. Si Annalie, yung first 30th nurse ata si Annalie or 29th. She gave me a good wisdom about finances and taxation here. I was so happy with her during my first month. Yun nga, sabi ko, they are very helpful people here in town. So you are in good hands. Si Mami Nat, si Mami Rona dito sa compound. Sila Jem Karaig, I think. You know her. And then silang Papol, silang Zia, hello. Si Rose at siya si Missy, magagandang friends ko, very fashionista. Hello to them. Of course, si Jong, part sila ng group eh. Si Jong, my referrer. Si Jay, titinda siya dito ng food. She's also a nurse in town. If gusto niyo ng Pinoy foods, may nagtitinda dito. So, hindi ka maho-homesick. Sila Ate Maricar, si Jomar, yung housemate ko. Hoy, in fairness ni Jomar ha, he is very very much willing to share about stock trading and all. Siya yung nag-push akin to have my retirement plan. So thank you, Joe. Yung ka-teammate ko sa patient ko, si Zen at saka si Javan at saka si Von. Ito din, kahit home health, you're only alone during your shift. You can always ask assistance from your co-nurses. So yun. Si Love, tsaka si Christy, si Jessery, baka magtampo yun. And then, of course, di ba may GC tayo with my friends, with the people in Visayas waiting and Mindanao waiting for their deployment. I was so happy with them kasi I know may naririnig sila from on social media platforms and all, but I always tell them, own your journey and you cannot afford, to entertain negativities for now as you prepare yourself for your deployment. So yun. And of course, thank you deployment team, marketing team, recruitment team, sila Miss Drixie, si Sir Migs, Miss Annalyn. Love you all. Thank you. I am here now for my 1 year.
Ayan. Actually, di ko na naramdaman, Miss Trish.
Ay, hala,
Nakaisang taon
grabe.
ka na.
Thank you.
Ayan. And again, thank you so much, Miss Trish, no? We won't take much of your time, but we'll look forward to
Yes.
hopefully by the next time we'll talk. 3 years, I think.
2 years muna.
2 years, 3 years. Let's
Yeah,
abangan
yeah.
natin yung milestone ni Miss Trish, no? And if she would be experiencing the same thing after a
Yeah.
year or two. And again, thank you so much. And I believe, 100% sure our viewers enjoyed this. So again,
Thank
good
you.
morning, good
Good
afternoon,
morning.
and good evening. Thank you so much. Bye,
Thank
everyone.
you. Bye.